Well, hello, folks. Welcome back to another episode on WSJTV, PPPTV, 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 XSW, PPPTV, PP. It's fucking cold TV. As you can see, I've got my Eskimo suit on. Anyway, folks, all serious in here. So update on Hurricane Blizzard Japetteo. It is really coming down, folks. It is a fucking blizzard. Check it out. 4 to 8 inches coming. 25, 35 mile an hour wind with a damn gust up to 50 mile an hour wind. Anyway, I'm happy. It's snowing. I'm alive. I'm above the fucking ground. Snowflakes in my mouth. But anyway, I'm gonna jump in the snowbank. You ready? Ah, fuck. Man down. Where's my life alert? Ah, fuck. Yep. Well, I wasn't really going to jump in it because last time I jumped in a snowbank, it was actually a fucking ice bank and I had a headache for 3 days. And I was going to trick y'all, but I actually just did bust my ass. See? There's snow all over me. There's where my footing went out. Right the underway. But anyway, stay tuned for more updates on the blizzard. It is going to get nasty. Get your whitey tidies, your favorite cigar, your favorite fucking cup of scotch, and go out there and make a snow angel. Don't be a pussy. Video coming soon. Stay tuned now.